The disappearing cookies. Emily loved baking cookies with her grandmother. Every Friday, the kitchen would be filled with the smell of chocolate, sugar, and vanilla as they prepared a fresh batch. But one Friday, something strange happened. The cookies vanished. Emily had just placed the tray of warm cookies on the counter to cool. She left for a moment to grab some milk, and when she returned, the cookies were gone, every single one. "Grandma, did you take the cookies?" Emily asked. "No, dear," Grandma replied, puzzled. "I haven't touched them." Emily frowned. There was no one else in the house. Where could they have gone? Determined to solve the mystery, she decided to investigate. Her first clue came from the crumbs. A trail of tiny chocolate crumbs led away from the counter and into the living room. Emily followed the trail, her heart racing with excitement. It stopped abruptly at the bookshelf. As she leaned in to inspect, she heard a soft giggle. "Hello? Who's there?" Emily whispered. Suddenly, a small, furry creature darted out from behind the books. It had big ears, sparkling eyes, and a mischievous grin. In its tiny hands, it held a half-eaten cookie. "Who are you?" Emily gasped. "I'm Crumbly," the creature said, his voice high-pitched and cheerful. "I couldn't resist your cookies. They smell so good." Emily didn't know whether to laugh or be angry. "You can't just take things without asking," she scolded. Crumbly's ears drooped. "I'm sorry," he said. "I've been hiding here for so long, and your cookies were too tempting." Emily softened. "Well, if you're hungry, you could have asked. How about we bake another batch together?" Crumbly's eyes lit up. "Really? I'd love that." From that day on, Crumbly became their little helper in the kitchen, and the disappearing cookies turned into a story Emily and her grandmother loved to tell.